We used to work with one of the oldest companies in California. They were a manufacturing business. Now, they had a huge production floor with a sophisticated layout. Machinery and equipment organized in various sections of the floor to create an efficient process flow. It was an incredible sight to see. Even better was that they had their values displayed all over the production floor.
While we were getting the tour of the facility, we were so excited to read their values, which talked about customer focus, product quality, pride in work, pride in being on time, accountability, and an attitude of service. Wow! We were so impressed with these values, and excitedly, we asked our guide about them. Our guide then rolled their eyes and said, "Those are just decorations on the wall." We were so let down, but we felt worse for the employees of that company that walked past those values every day without feeling a sense of pride for their company.
If you don't enjoy the work you do, your life starts to become a drag. 40 to 50 hours, sometimes even more per week, is spent at work. So you gotta enjoy it, and values can give that enjoyment. Just look at Southwest. So when you have these values, they can actually provide a sense of accomplishment and community. If your values are not being demonstrated in your business or being modeled by your leadership, then you won't be able to achieve on a high level, and your customers will get negatively affected. That's why before starting with our regular implementation for this client of ours, we decided to call a team meeting where we sat everyone down and understood what values they wanted.
We looked at the different major changes and events that had taken place in the past few years. And then we analyzed those events to see if the values played a role in those changes and events. If their values didn't play a role, then they were kicked off the wall. If they did play a role, then they stayed. After we finalized the best values for our client, we had to re-engage the staff through training and rewards. It took a year, but because we simplified the values, trained and rallied the staff to get behind these values, the performance of our client actually went up. Our clients' customers started to see an improvement in the service and product that they were receiving. Our clients' workplace culture improved as well. Values make a huge difference in determining how successful your business will become. So, pick the right ones and make sure you implement them.